The optimization process of the Nexus Core X is completed, and in this video I'm going to explain the results of the Nexus Core and how you can start using this EA. All details are in this video. Without wasting any time, let's begin. Welcome to TradingBotLab. I'm your host Abdul, and in this video we are going to explore the results. For that, let's move to my screen, and here on the TradingBotLab website we have a section set files and results. You need to go here on this page and there will be a list of all optimized EAs. Here is the Nexus Core X. I will simply click on it and that's it. Here you see for each strategy I have optimized this EA, and separately you can see the result of each strategy. Every strategy have its own best input set files. From here you can select, like in the single view. Let's move down. Here you can see all these values, the graph, how it is performing, and the most important is profit and losses month by month. This is the very important and very useful function on this website. You can check any one. I will simply move it up. Let's move it up and more. Now it is on the top, and in the combined view I will make a strategy how exactly I can use this EA on my chart. For example, here are a few months are in loss. I select strategy 10 and strategy 9 at the same time, and it reduced the number of losing months, because if you see here on the graph, let me move it up, most of the time when strategy is going down, other strategy is going up. One side is making profit and other one is like covering that profit. Overall the graph is going up like this green line. Okay, and for example, if I select the strategy 8, let's see, it also reduced more loss in month. I strategy 7, it added some more loss in month, so uncheck this one. Now it's look better and all years are closed in profit. Okay, in the percentage it made 78%, 129 and 263 in 2025. And for example, I select strategy 3 with this one. Let's see what happened to this. Oh, the performance is improved and the percentage values are increased if I'm using the strategy 3, strategy 9, strategy 7 and strategy 10. For example, I don't like all these strategies, but I only want to use like a strategy 4 and strategy 8. For example, it will give me a result of these two strategies. Okay, you can see here two lines. For example, I select one more. Now it will show here total 3 lines. And also keep in mind, by adding more strategies it will increase the risk, it will increase the drawdown. For now, for these strategies like 1, 2 and these 3 strategies, the maximum drawdown goes to, the balance drawdown goes to $573, and the total net profit is $3,578, and it's like recovery factor is a 6.21 recovery factor. All these other values are available here to see, but the most important thing is here. For example, if we select all these values, so what happened, you can check any combination. And also there are some other EAs, but for now we are talking about the Nexus Core X. Oh great, just randomly I was selecting some strategies, the strategy 10, 8, 7 and 5. This strategy is more improved the performance like 430% in 1 year. And in the 2024, 184, 80% and the 23%. Now you can go to this website and analyze all these different combination of strategies. And yes, if you want to download, simply here a button to download this. Once you click on this button, the files will be downloaded for the VIP members. How you can become a VIP member, simply go to the VIP membership page and all details are there in short form.